Brooks never had trouble, even her first release.
Yeah. Remember Carrie, the really
She had triplets
tall
last year, and she nursed them all, so
The very tall one. This was her baby.
as you can tell, her bag is.
I know.
We went to see baby corn yesterday too. Those red ones, we watched them, you know.
Like we
just-
went in the pen and
We
one
watched
fell.
the second one being born. We heard that. We heard a baa coming from a direction there was no baa.
Oh yeah, because those people were out.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. That was neat for them.
You're not pushing hard enough,
Yeah.
babe. You're not pushing much at all.
She thinks otherwise.
That's a mouth.
No, I
That's a
hope
mouth.
not.
I can see it. That's a nose. Yes, it is. Look.
Just hush. We just want it to come out normally. It should. I've never. Do you really think that's a nose?
I really think it's a nose.
Oh, Claire, don't do that to me.
That is a
Yeah,
mouth.
that's a mouth.
Not a safe school.
Definitely.
Definitely a mouth.
I guess I gotta